Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you some edible flowers that you can grow right in your own home. These flowers are not only beautiful but also add unique flavors to your culinary creations. Imagine adding a splash of color and a burst of flavor to your dishes with flowers you grew yourself. It's like having a mini garden of delights right in your kitchen. Let's dive in. First up, we have nasturtiums. These vibrant flowers are incredibly easy to grow indoors. These beauties are not just a feast for the eyes, but also pack a peppery punch. Their bright colors can liven up any space. Both the flowers and leaves can jazz up your salads or make a gorgeous garnish. They're perfect for adding a bit of spice to your meals. Next, let's talk about pansies. These charming flowers are a favorite among dessert enthusiasts. These are the darlings of the dessert world. Their delicate petals can transform any sweet treat into a work of art. With their mild, slightly sweet flavor, they're perfect for topping off your cakes and sweet treats. Imagine a cake adorned with these lovely flowers. Now, for a touch of citrus, marigolds are your go-to. These flowers are not only beautiful but also versatile in the kitchen. Their vibrant petals can brighten up your rice dishes or add zing to your teas. They're a fantastic way to add a pop of color and flavor. Moving on to violas, which are cousins to pansies, these little guys also have a delightful sweet taste. These petite flowers are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your dishes. Throw them in your salads or use them to beautify your desserts. Their vibrant colors and sweet flavor make them a versatile addition to any meal. Calendula, or as some call it pot marigold, has tangy, peppery petals that are fantastic in soups and stews. These flowers are not only edible but also have medicinal properties. Chive blossoms, with their mild onion flavor, are great for adding a subtle kick to your dishes. They're perfect for those who love a hint of onion without the overpowering taste. Sprinkle them in your soups or salads for that extra flavor layer. They're a great way to elevate your everyday meals. Next, lavender. This flower is a favorite for its soothing aroma and unique flavor. Who can resist that sweet, floral flavor? Lavender is not just for perfumes, it's a star in baking and teas. Imagine a lavender-infused cake or a soothing cup of lavender tea. Lavender can add a unique twist to your culinary creations. Begonias are next. These flowers are not only beautiful but also edible. Both the flowers and leaves are edible, with a citrusy, slightly sour taste that adds a unique twist to salads and desserts. They're perfect for those who love a bit of tang in their meals. Last but not least, Johnny Jump-Ups. These small, colorful flowers are a delight to grow and use in the kitchen. These small, colorful flowers have a mild wintergreen flavor and are fantastic for garnishing almost anything. They're perfect for adding a touch of whimsy to your dishes. When growing these indoor beauties, make sure they get plenty of light. Light is essential for their growth and blooming. A sunny window or grow lights will do the trick. Ensure they have enough light to thrive. Keep them watered and in the right soil, and you'll have a flourishing indoor garden in no time. Regular care and attention will ensure your flowers stay healthy and vibrant. That's all for today. Start planting these edible flowers and watch your cooking transform with homegrown ingredients. There's nothing like the satisfaction of using flowers you've grown yourself. Happy gardening and see you next time. Keep blooming and cooking with love. Why don't you join our community?